We adore getting comments from viewers that say they love our videos. It makes us feel amazing. And the truth is, we put in a lot of hours to make each video. So we wanted to give you an idea of how much work goes into each video and frequent problems we come up against. We hope you enjoy seeing the process. And we also hope that seeing all the hard work we put into our videos will inspire you to sign up for our Patreon account. Pledging just $4 or €3 a month would be an amazing way to keep us going. You can find the link down in the description. Now, let's check out how the magic is made. When I start writing a script, I first think about the hook, which is the first thing you see. I think, what would hook people, get them interested?
And then another thing we do is we write a list of target vocabulary that we want to make sure gets into the video, things that we really think are important, including idioms.
Where do we get ideas for scripts? From our viewers,
from family and friends,
from our own experiences as language learners.
Yeah, we like to think about situations where there are phrases or language is used that you might not find in a textbook or is very situational, and you might want to know, how do I deal with this situation specifically?
Also, when we write scripts, we have to think about the setting, the background. We're limited in where we can shoot.
But we recently bought some toys to help us expand our options. So we bought a green screen, which we can use to change the background of where we are.
And we bought lights, so we look better. Everything looks better.
Yes, and we can shoot in a place that doesn't have natural light. So in the movie business, they say never work with children or animals. But our video with children, with our friend's daughter, did really well. So here we are working with animals. We're breaking the mold.
People love children and animals in general. Actually, a lot of times we film completely out of order. So even though we just started a few minutes ago, we just filmed the last scene of this video.
We love filming outside, but the problem with filming outside is we can't control all the noises that are around. And a lot of times they come in on the video and it's hard for us to be heard.
And another thing we have to do, because we don't have a camera person, not yet. Here I had to experiment a bit, and you know what I did? I found this little pebble like in the ground that made it just the perfect height that we needed. Use your surroundings, baby.
For example, people working, doing their own thing, or talking, or music playing, or cars or motorcycles passing by, or you can hear kids playing over there. So we have to always be thinking about the ambient noise and how to avoid it.
We are gonna go change scenes. We're gonna go to my house now. We are doing this video all backwards. So my house is actually the beginning of the video, but we're gonna do that now. So let's go. Takes 2 to 3 hours. Actually, sometimes 3 to 4 hours. Just the filming. All right, I'm gonna try to memorize my lines on the train. I can never remember my lines. So lighting is always an issue. I'm pushing for getting some more professional lights. Usually we work with window lights and just house lights. But sometimes you get weird shadows, it's a whole thing, you get like grainy image. New battery, good to go. Sam, what are you doing?
Snacks. Snacks. Very important. I need snacks.
What happens if you don't have a snack?
I'm hungry. Okay, so Erica, you're a cat. So you have to do cat stuff. Like when a cat's mad, you have to go to hiss and arch your back. Just deal with it. Do it.
Easy make you do, Sam. Okay.
More arched, arched back, arched back. Arch your back. There it is. There it is. There's the cat. Yes. Okay, so it is 1 o'clock now. So we've done about 3 hours of filming, which is pretty fast.
Yep, got all the shots, got the thumbnail, but that is not the end of the story.
Nope.
Now it is hours of editing.
Yay, next part. As you can see, it's a lot of work to make even one video, and we upload a new one every week. We hope you'll consider signing up with us on Patreon through the link down in the description. And if you're not able to sign up on Patreon today, that's okay. By liking our videos and leaving us comments, you're helping us so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.